Electric buses are being launched in Glasgow on a commercial route for the first time since the 1960s, transport company First Glasgow has announced. The 2 electric buses are being fully funded as part of the SP Energy Network's £20 million Green Economy Fund, which supports Glasgow's bid to become the UK's first net-zero emissions city by 2030. First Glasgow said the city has now come back to fully electric transport on a commercial route for the first time since electric trolley buses were decommissioned by the Glasgow Corporation in May 1967. The new vehicles, unveiled on Friday, will be operating on the M3 route, which connects communities in Milton and Springburn with Stobhill Hospital and the city centre. First Minister Nicola Sturgeon MSP will visit First Glasgow's Caledonia depot on Friday to plug the new electric buses in for their first charge. She said, "It is a real pleasure to see First launch their fully electric buses in Glasgow, following funding from SP Energy Networks." Scotland was one of the first countries to acknowledge that we are facing a global climate emergency, and we have legislated for the most ambitious carbon reduction target of any country in the world. A key part of our plans is encouraging greater use of public transport as well as phasing out petrol and diesel vehicles. It's so great to see First and SP Energy Networks playing their part in helping us to achieve our goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2045. The new M3 electric buses, built by Alexander Dennis in Falkirk, have the latest mirrorless smart vision technology, which removes the need for wing mirrors, helps reduce blind spots for drivers, and even helps to reduce the effects of bad weather on their vision via the state-of-the-art CCTV system. The new vehicles, which go into service this month, will also have USB charging points, onboard audio-visual next-stop announcements and free Wi-Fi. Andrew Jarvis, Managing Director for First Glasgow, said, "We are delighted to launch the city's first conversion of a commercial bus service to fully electric operation. The whole team at First Glasgow are thrilled to be teamed up with SP Energy Networks in order to bring these state-of-the-art zero-emission vehicles to the people of Glasgow and the M3 route." He added, "Every customer journey on the route will save around 2 kilograms of CO2 compared with driving on your own in an average car, making bus the best choice and reducing the impact on the planet. As a business, one of our main goals is to make buses part of the solution when it comes to improving air quality in the city. We've already invested £31 million in the last 2 years. By working with Glasgow City Council and Transport Scotland, we plan to make great strides forward in doing our bit to improve the city's air quality and making Glasgow a sea." For more on this story, visit the news article link.